Hello everyone, myself Sanjay. Today I am going to explain a small topic of physiology, the name composition of blood. What is blood? Blood is a vital connective tissue that constitutes approximately 7 to 8% of the total body weight. It circulates continuously throughout the cardiovascular system, sustain life by linking all organs and tissues. Blood is composed of two main fractions. Plasma 55%, the liquid matrix carrying protein, nutrients, hormones and wastes, and formed elements 45%. Red blood cell WBCs and platelets responsible for transport, immune and clotting. Plasma 90% water, primary solvent for all blood components. Protein 7 to 8%, albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, other substance 2 3%, nutrients and electrolytes, hormones, waste product and gases. Formed element: red blood cell 99%, formed elements count 4.5 to 6 millions microliter, contain hemoglobin for oxygen transport, bioconcave disc shape, no nucleus, lifespan approximately 120 days. White blood cell and platelets. White blood cell 4,000 to 11,000 microliter, immune defense, neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes. Platelets 1.5 lakh to 4 lakh microliter, essential for clothing, lifespan 8 to 10 days approximately. Key function of blood. Blood performs three essential categories of function that sustain life. Each function is critical to hormone homeostasis and overall physiological balance. Disruption of any these functions, whether through disease, injuries, or blood disorders, can have serious consequences for the entire body. Transport and protection. Transport carries oxygen from lungs to tissue, deliver nutrition, distribute hormones, and remove metabolic waste products and CO2. Protection. White blood cells mount immune response against pathogens. Platelets and clotting factor prevent blood loss. Regulation. pH balance. Buffers maintain blood pH between 7.35 to 7.45. Temperature distributes heat and regulates covered body temperature. Fluid balance. Plasma protein maintain osmotic pressure and fluid distribution. Thank you.